If you're a creative person, these are 10 websites that you should know. Part 1. Whether you're looking for inspiration, resources, or new opportunities, this list has you covered, and all of them are linked down in the description for you to check out. First up is Design Everywhere. Design Everywhere is a platform that curates and showcases creative works from designers worldwide. It's a go-to source for creative inspiration with an ever-growing collection of carefully selected works across all kinds of design disciplines. You're going to discover fresh global design talent, see what's trending in different parts of the world, and get inspiration outside of your usual creative bubble. This site is great for branding designers, visual artists, and anyone who wants exposure to global creative culture. Second is Cosmos. Cosmos is a platform for creatives to save, curate, and share content in customizable clusters. It features AI-powered tagging and a distraction-free experience that's perfect for building visual libraries and reference decks. It's ideal for organizing research and inspiration without getting overwhelmed. Think of Pinterest, but made specifically for designers and teams. It's great for art directors or UX and UI designers, design students, and or just mood board lovers. Next up is Dribble. Dribble is a platform for designers to showcase their work, connect with other creatives, and find job opportunities. It focuses on visual design, so there's anything from UX and UI design to branding design and illustration. It's actually one of the top places to get hired or build a design portfolio and get inspired by other top-tier creatives. It's great for freelance designers, digital product designers, illustrators, and anyone seeking a job in design. Number 4 is Savee It. Savee It is your source of pure inspiration. It's like Pinterest, but mainly for creatives, and it's a lot more curated because you're making the things that you save. You can save things from all over the web, and it all goes into one place, and you're gonna also get regularly new content suggested to you. It's super helpful because there are no ads on this platform to distract or get in the way of your mood boarding. And you don't have to keep uploading things onto this website that you've been putting in that folder on your desktop where all of your screenshots are. This site is great for creatives who love visual storytelling, brand designers, creative directors, UX designers, and anyone in between. Number 5 is the Brand Identity. The Brand Identity is a curated collection of graphic design projects, insights, and resources. From case studies to font drops and typography, it's beautifully organized in one space to explore modern design work. TBI keeps you up to date with the latest in branding and design news, and their marketplace is also full of design-forward resources and asset packs. It's great for branding designers, studios, or anyone that's obsessed with super clean, modern aesthetics. Next is DandAD or DandAD. It is a global platform that celebrates creativity through awards, masterclasses, initiatives that inspire and connect professionals in design and advertising. Their award-winning campaigns are creative gold mines, and this site is sure to be helpful for anyone who is in an advertising creative role, someone who is in an art or design lead role at a company, marketing creatives, or anyone who wants to just learn from the best. Number 7 is 100 Days of Fonts. 100 Days of Fonts is a showcase of Google font pairings that was curated over 100 days. Think of it like a quick font combination cheat sheet for you. It's helpful because you can save time when you're stuck on a typographic choice. It's super helpful for web designers, beginners, experimenting with type, and anyone that loves working with Google Fonts. Next is Ads of the World. Ads of the World is a curation of all kinds of ads, video, print, digital, you name it. You can search by country, medium, industry, and so much more. It's a helpful resource for reverse engineering ideas, staying on top of ads that are trending, or seeing how big campaigns are structured. It's great for marketing designers, even copywriters, brand strategists, and even students studying ad design. Number 9 is We Present. We Present is a platform dedicated to collaborating with and championing the work of creative people around the world. It goes beyond just the visual here because these are stories that showcase the heart of the creative process. It's a great resource for multidisciplinary creatives, filmmakers, photographers, and designers that are craving more narrative depth. And lastly, with number 10, we have It's Nice That. It's Nice That is a newsletter and design blog that features the latest and upcoming illustrators and designers. It keeps you in the loop on emerging talent, creative culture, and experimental design work. It's a great resource for illustrators, art students, trend watchers, and just fans of design culture in general. Now, I've got a lot more websites to share with you, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel now so you don't miss that next video. And be sure to check out the other content we have here on the YouTube channel so you can learn how Kittl will help your design workflow, which you can go check out and sign up using the link down in the description, along with all the other website links that I talked about. And if you have other websites and resources that we should know about as creatives, then drop those names and resources down in the comments. You can't post a link or YouTube will remove it, but you can mention the names of those websites or resources, and I'm sure many people will appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in part 2.